Hi, this is Richard Quek here. Welcome to another session of my video. In today's session, I would like to talk about network marketing. And the topic for today is tools and technology to improve your network marketing business. Now, I know that network marketing is a good business model, all right? It is a good business model, but the percentage of failure is very, very high. Many people fail in network marketing, okay? Now, the truth is that, time changes and we need to change as well. The problem with most people involved with network marketing, they are still using the traditional way of doing network marketing, all right? They are not changing. If you look at the world today, everything is changing, all right? Look at technology as well. It changes, all right? Now, the handphone is getting smaller and smaller and smaller with more and more features. Why? Technology change, all right? So basically, when we do any business, we need to be able to change as well, and we need to be able to adapt to change. So network marketing is like any business outside there as well. We need to be able to change, all right? If you don't change, then you'll be stagnant. So it is important and critical that we allow ourselves to change, all right? I know a lot of people are not used to changing. They like to do things the old way because they fear what is the uncertainties in the future, all right? But face it, if you want to be successful in life, you need to be able to change, all right? You must change. So here I want to talk about some of the things that you need to do in order to change. These are some of the technologies and resources that are available today that we can use to improve or supercharge our network marketing business, okay? Now, number one that is very important is you need to have a blog, all right? You need to make use of the internet, and blog and website is very, very critical to success. If you don't have a blog, you don't have a website, then you are outdated, all right? You are out of date, honestly, So you need to have a blog or a website for that matter. And what sort of website and blog do you have? All right, now you need to have a blogging platform which you can use WordPress, okay? And you need to create content, all right? Content that you give to your visitor. You provide to your visitor valuable content on business and on network marketing. It must be relevant to what you are doing, okay? You must have a blog with good content, consistently updated all the time, so that your visitor will keep on coming back and coming back again, right? So you need to have a blog for that. Now, the second thing is that you need to have a landing page or a squeeze page as well. Now, list building is very critical to success. So you need to be able to build a list. And in order to build a list, you need to have a squeeze page. Now, a squeeze page is just a simple one-page website whereby you offer people something for free. This is called a lead magnet, all right? Now, in order for them to get what you're offering for free, they got to put in their name or email address, all right? And once they do that, all right, they go into your list and they become your member, and you can follow up with them, or you can manually message them whenever you like. So, okay, so it's important to have a blog or a website, all right? So that's the first thing that you need to do. All right, I'm not going to go into detail how to create and so on. Maybe one of these days I will talk about it in more detail, but today I want to talk what are the technologies and resources that you need to use. All right, number one, you need to have a blog or a website. Number two, you need to have an autoresponder. This is important because once you have a squeeze page, you need an autoresponder to capture your prospect into the database and later on follow up with them automatically, or you can push message to them, broadcast to them. Okay, so autoresponder is very, very important. If you don't have an autoresponder, that means you're not doing internet marketing at all. Okay, so autoresponder is important. Where do you get autoresponder? There are many outside there. I can give you two popular ones. One is Aweber, the other one is GetResponse. Okay, well, I mean, it is important, but you have to pay for it. Maybe you have to pay a small fee for it, a monthly subscription fee for it, but it is critical if you want to be involved in internet marketing. You want to use this technology, all right? If you don't use the technology, then you're going to be failing all the time, right? Now, research shows that, in order for somebody, for your prospect to make a decision, they need at least 7 follow-up. People don't make decision immediately. They need to be followed up at least 7 times. All right. So if you want to make a phone call to them 7 times, 8 times, it is going to cost you a lot of time and it will cost you money and so on, right? But when you use the autoresponder, you set it up, the follow-up will be automatic. All right, automatic. You not only can set for 7 follow-up, you can have as many follow-up as you like. Okay, so that's the second thing. You need to have autoresponder. The third thing is that you need to test and track. Testing and tracking is very important, especially testing and tracking your traffic. All right, your traffic source, your website, and so on. So basically, you need to use link cloaking and tracking software. All right, link tracking and cloaking software. Because if you are an affiliate, example, all right, you want to promote affiliate link, it is very long, all right, and it looks like affiliate link. So what you can do is that you can cloak it and make it a shorter link. All right, there are cloaking software outside there, but if you are using blogging platform, you can download a free software called Pretty Link. Pretty Link, all right, you can get that for free. Once you have a blog, then you go in and download the plugin. It is called Pretty Link. All right, it's free. Okay, but of course there is a paid version, which is more advanced version. But for the normal purpose, you know, you can use the free version. Okay, or if you are more adventurous, you can purchase script and install it yourself, or you can pay for those monthly services type of thing. All right. So the third thing is that you need to be able to cloak and track. Okay. Number 4th thing. Communication is very, very important. All right, you need to communicate with your prospect, with your member, and so on. So in today's environment, right, it is different from previously. I remember previously, you know, I want to do some training, and so I got to fly to Indonesia, I got to fly to Thailand, I got to fly to Philippines. You know, it costs a lot of money and it costs a lot of time. But today, you can use platform to communicate. All right, you can use what we call a webinar platform. All right, there are a lot of webinar platform there. Most of them are paid version. All right, or you can also use auto webinar. All right, auto webinar is when you record the video and you play it as an auto webinar, whereby when prospect come, they put in their name and email, and then when they attend the webinar, it is a recorded one, but the prospect will not know that it's recorded. You mean it looks like a actual webinar going on. All right, so that's auto webinar. Okay, and of course you can use blogging platform, communication platform or webinar platform that are free, like Skype. You can use. The other one that is very popular today is Zoom, Z-O-O-M. All right, Z-O-O-M. Yeah, Zoom. Okay, so basically that is for communication. All right, you don't have to travel overseas now and then. The only thing is that, you know, once you have a steady group of people who are committed, then you can fly over there. But for the meantime, you can use all these communication tools. Okay. Number 5, video is very important today, right? A lot of people are using video. Even sales letter, people are using video sales letter today instead of the text sales letter. All right, video is very important. Why? Because now the internet is faster, the streaming is better, and so on. So you need to be able to use videos, all right? And you must have software to do that as well. All right, you can use the free version. I think Windows, and so they have your own Windows video maker or whatever it is. But if you really want to be doing it professionally, then probably you need to get software outside there. I'm using 2 particular software that I find that is very good. One is called Camtasia from TechSmith. I mean, it's a paid software. You pay one time. I think it's about $100 over US dollar, but you pay one payment as an investment. The other one that I'm using is Content Samurai. Content Samurai is a video platform. It's online, whereby, you know, you can go and create your videos there, and it's very easy. You know, you just copy and paste the text there, and then it will format for you, and then it will create a video for you. If you see my video, Cappuccino and Success, I'm sure you've seen the video, right? I put on my page, Cappuccino and Success. It is created by using Content Samurai, but it's not cheap, right? I think Content Samurai is about $49 a month. All right, but it's worth it if you are going to do as a business. Remember, it is a business, okay? So it is important that, you know, that you use video. Are you with me? Okay, when you use video, you can put the video on your blog. You can put the video on Facebook or even YouTube for that matter. All right, so it's so important, okay, to use video. Now, number 6, social media. Is it important? Yeah, social media is very, very important. All right, so you got to have a social media account. If you still don't have, it is free to sign up. Get a Facebook account, get a LinkedIn account, and probably Instagram account. These are the 3 main ones. All right, there are others outside there, but these are the 3 main ones. Of course, another one is for the video platform, that is YouTube. Okay, these are the few. All right, so once you have this, all right, then you can communicate with people, network with people, and then you can also do your prospecting from this platform. All right, I mean, like now I'm doing a YouTube, I'm doing a Facebook live. All right, I'm doing a Facebook live here. I mean, you can use Facebook to do a Facebook live. All right, and then what I do is that I record it. Then after that, I post it to YouTube. All right, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Right, one time I do on the Facebook live, then I record it, and I will post it on YouTube as well. So 2 platforms, all right. Your own profile page. Then after that, you have a business page, all right, or what they call fan page. And now maybe you start a group as well. It's important to be able to start a group. What is important on social media is engagement, engagement, engagement. All right, engagement means posting materials there, videos, pictures or whatever it is, and then commenting and connecting with people and so. Social media is very critical for your success. If you are doing what you call network marketing, social media is very important. All right, like most of my people are using LinkedIn and Facebook to communicate with people, to interact with people, and to get prospect there. Okay, so basically, social media is very, very important. Now, I'm also using software. All right, I mean, if you want to post the software, all right, to all the pages, maybe I have 10 pages, fan page, Facebook fan page. Then I got to post 10 times. Okay, I want to post to LinkedIn as well, another one. And I post to Instagram, another one. So basically, it will take a lot of time. So what I do is that, you can use software to do that. All right, software, you set it up. You click one click, it goes to all the profile, the pages that you have set up. So using software is important. You see, I must remind you that doing network marketing is also a business like any business. You got to invest, right? You got to invest. So it is important to be able to, if you are serious to do business online, especially in a network marketing business online, you got to invest, all right? And I'm using software like Socialmonials and Public Box. These are the 2 software I'm using. I've got other software as well. And then you can even schedule it, You can go in and put all the schedule for 1 whole month. And then after that, you can forget about it. It will post on itself on the scheduled time. Are you with me? So it saves a lot of time as well. All right, so you got to use software, all right? The whole idea of software is to save you time, all right? It will do monotonous stuff and save you a lot of time, all right? Now, that's number 6. Number 7, I think this is very important as well. This technology is not new, but not many people are still using it. It is called chatbots, all right? Chatbots. Chatbots is basically hooking up to Facebook Messenger, all right? Hooking up to Facebook Messenger, and basically, you can do a chatbot whereby you post it and people click on the link and then they start a conversation with you, all right? Even though you are not there, it is all set up. You can go in and set up yourself, and asking them questions. For example, you can ask them a question like, what is your name? Okay, then they put in their name, and then after that, thank you so much. By the way, what is your email? Then they put in their email, and then it keeps on going, So basically, you capture every detail that you have. So it's on autopilot, which is very, very useful because the open rate for chatbot is very, very high compared to email and other type of promotion, okay? Now, there are 2, if you are interested in using chatbots, there are 2 type of chatbot software that are very useful. Number 1 is ManyChat. ManyChat is very popular, and it is a monthly basis, all right? You got to pay on a monthly basis depending on how many people you have in your list, all right? And also, when you use a chatbot, you can send messages to them, mass message to them, all right? Of course, for those people who interact with you within 24 hours, all right, and so on. Then the other important one that is called Mobile Monkey. I mean, Mobile Monkey, you can pay. I'm not sure now. I paid one lump sum for it, but today I'm not sure whether it is on a monthly basis or not. But I think probably it's a one-time still, but it's more expensive. All right. When I went in a long time ago, you know, and I'm using the software. All right. So basically, Chatbot is very, very critical to success. So you got to use all this technology. You cannot be left behind, my friend. All right, you got to keep up to date with what is happening, technology and so on. Everything changes, okay? Everything changes, okay? Now, that was number 7. Number 8 now. If you are a leader, all right, and you are really aggressive, then you need to have replicated website created for your members. Isn't it true? Replicated website. All right, and to create replicated website, you need to have software again. All right, there are certain scripts or whatever that can use to replicate the website for each individual members of your team. All right, and you know it is very useful because, come on, a lot of people do not even bother to create their own website. All right, so you create the website which is replicated for them. At least they are proud they have their own website to promote. Okay, so these are the 8 things that I think that is useful to use in your network marketing business. All right, this is only my opinion. There may be more. All right, but this is only what I think is important. There may be more, but take it with a pinch of salt, as I said every time. All right, I hope that you learned something here. That's the end of my sharing. I hope that you learned something here. Let me summarize for you what are the things that you need to use in order to improve or to supercharge your network marketing business. Number 1, you need to have blogs or website. Okay. Number 2, you need to have the autoresponder software. Okay, to follow up automatically with people. Number 3, you need link cloaking and tracking software. All right. Number 4, you need communication tool to communicate with your members, okay, who may be outstation, who may be overseas. All right. Number 5, you need video creation software, video editing software as well. All right, and video is very important today. Okay. Number 5 is video. Number 6, social media presence. Okay, social media is important today, so basically make use of social media. All right. Number 7, chatbots. Okay, this is a technology that a lot of people are now beginning to use. All right, it is not difficult if you know what is going on. All right, so basically you can either use ManyChat or Mobile Monkey, or there are others outside there. And lastly, you need to have a replicated website if you want to be a leader and create website for your team members. Okay, so that's all my sharing for today. I hope that you learned something here. If you like what you see and hear, please feel free to like, to share, and to comment. All right, and if you are on YouTube, please follow me and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so that's all from me tonight. I thank you so much for your time here. Have a nice weekend. I will see you again on Monday then. Okay, so this is Richard Quek here from Malaysia, wishing you good night and goodbye.